We can give input in the form of numbers, words, pictures or sounds, etc. The raw facts or instructions that we give to a computer to get meaningful information is known as input. There are special types of hardware devices that are used to enter data into the computer. These devices are known as input devices. The most commonly used input devices are the keyboard and the mouse. They are connected with the CPU via cable or some wireless media. Let us learn about more input devices. Mouse. It looks like a small mouse. A mouse is used to take input from Graphical User Interface or GUI. It is a point-and-click device. It helps us in selecting the desired option from several options available. In GUI, the commands are given in the form of buttons. We have to just select the desired action. Mouse can perform various actions: left click, right click, double click, drag and drop. We have already studied these actions in detail in the previous classes. Keyboard. Keyboard is another most commonly used input device. It is used to take text input. It looks like a typewriter. It is sometimes called QWERTY keyboard, as the first row of the keyboard has this set of keys placed together. Stylus. It looks like a pen. There is a special pad used with this pen. Whatever you write on the pad with this special pen appears on the monitor. This special pad is known as graphics tablet or pen tablet. You can draw also using this pad and stylus. Scanner. A scanner takes an image of any printed or handwritten page as input and enables you to save in several forms that a computer can understand. There is a software that can convert an image of text into real text that can be edited. Trackball. It works like a mouse. Instead of having a ball at the bottom, it has a ball on the top. Rolling this ball with fingers moves the pointer on the screen. It is an alternative to mouse that takes less space to move and usually built in the laptops. Microphone. It is an input device that is used to record our voice and other sounds into a computer. It is used to take voice input. Joystick. It is a control device for video games. It is usually consists of a single vertical bar. The user pushes the bar in different directions to move the cursor to the required position. Digital web camera. This device can be used to enter photographs and video into the computer. Later, these can be edited with the help of some software that is specially designed for this purpose. Input devices allow us to communicate with computer in many different ways, but still most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. Without these devices, you may not be able to work with a computer.